On this Valentine's morning, we're speaking to Dr. Anjhula Bais, who's an international psychologist with the Mind faculty, and it's all about love.
So, Dr. Anjhula, tell us what you're doing for Valentine's Day. What keeps your relationship healthy?
Yeah. So the thing is, you know you're working too hard when the front desk at the clinic is like, "Oh, Dr. Anjhula, you're finally taking off. This is wonderful." They were sending me emoticons. They're like, "This is amazing. We're blocking your dates." But no, we're going to Cambodia, and we're going to see Angkor Wat as the sun rises. So I think that's pretty special. But, what keeps our relationship healthy is, keeping the lines of communication open. I think a lot of times people want or envision that the person they're with is going to stay the same. And you want to grow and expand and evolve and give your partner space. Understand who you fell in love with and, in the beginning is going to be a different person. But, one thing I'll say that kind of ties into everything we're talking about today is that I think too often we're focused on our rights, such as, as a wife, as a partner, it's my right to have this. It's my right to have that. They should be doing this. They should be doing that. They should be speaking this. But we forget about our responsibilities. I also have a responsibility to act and carry a certain way and to be there for my partner. So it's rights and, responsibilities. And if you can keep that in mind, you're usually pretty good to go. And the one thing that I have found that's very helpful in my relationships, and I tell this to my clients, is that look your partner every day and genuinely, authentically, from a very open space, ask them one simple question in the morning. What can I do to make your day better today? And try that for 2 weeks in a row genuinely. At first, your partner might be like, what are they up to? Speaking of trust, they may be very confused. But if you do this, it's conditioning. For 2-3 weeks, you'll find your relationship absolutely flowers. So it's a great thing.
All right. Well, Doc, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
My pleasure.
Missed out on all that great advice? You can listen to our podcast at Lite.my, available after 1 p.m. today. Up next, on Shaz's Newsroom, imagine being an athlete who woke up late, needed to borrow equipment, but still managed to bring home the gold. We'll share that story with you next on Lite.